Get ready for a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic phenomenon that could revolutionize our perception of the universe. Betelgeuse, a massive red giant star located on the far edge of our galaxy, has begun emitting strange signals suggesting it may be nearing a significant transformation. Using the powerful tools of the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers have made concerning discoveries about this immense star, and the consequences could be monumental. Astrophysicist Brian has raised a serious caution as we wonder, are we on the verge of witnessing an event so powerful and destructive that it could forever alter the appearance of the night sky? Could Betelgeuse be about to explode into a supernova, signaling the dramatic end of its life in a brilliant burst of energy? Let's explore this celestial mystery and uncover the truth about Betelgeuse, a star that has fascinated and worried scientists and stargazers for years. Located in the Orion constellation, Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star that is both incredibly massive and ancient. Its unique reddish glow and fluctuating brightness have made it a subject of interest for astronomers for centuries. Recently, however, observations have shown sudden, dramatic shifts in its behavior, sparking even greater concern. Betelgeuse is about 764 times the size of our Sun, an enormous scale that's hard to imagine. To put this into perspective, if it were to replace our Sun, its surface would extend well past Mars, engulfing not only Mars but also Mercury, Venus, and Earth. The sheer size of this star is a testament to the extraordinary forces at play within it. But its size is not the only factor that makes Betelgeuse noteworthy, it's also in the final stages of its life cycle. Now in the red supergiant phase, it is expanding and cooling after billions of years of burning hydrogen into helium at its core. Betelgeuse is estimated to be between 8 and 8.5 million years old, relatively young by human standards, but ancient. For a star, while stars like our Sun can live for billions of years, red supergiants like Betelgeuse burn through their fuel much faster, meaning their lifespans are much shorter. This means that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its existence, having transformed from a hot blue star into the cooler red giant we see today. As it runs out of nuclear fuel, the star is losing mass, and its core is undergoing dramatic changes. One striking feature of Betelgeuse is its reddish hue. Unlike the yellow light of our Sun, Betelgeuse shines with a much cooler surface temperature of around 3,150 Kelvin compared to the Sun's 5,500 Kelvin. This cooler temperature is responsible for its red color and gives astronomers clues about the star's internal workings and evolution. Interestingly, historical records suggest that Betelgeuse's color has changed over time. Ancient Roman and Chinese texts indicate that Betelgeuse appeared yellow about 2,000 years ago. By the 9th century, Arabic astronomers recorded its reddish appearance. This color shift isn't just a curious historical tidbit, it provides valuable insight into how the star has evolved. Another fascinating feature of Betelgeuse is its variable brightness. It is classified as a semi-regular variable star, meaning its brightness changes in a predictable cycle. Over roughly 400 days, the star's brightness fluctuates, with more significant changes occurring every 5 years. These cycles of dimming and brightening have been studied for centuries. However, what makes Betelgeuse truly remarkable is its occasional irregularity. Unlike most stars that follow regular patterns, Betelgeuse sometimes experiences unexpected fluctuations that challenge our current understanding of stellar behavior. In late 2019, Betelgeuse grabbed global attention when it underwent a dramatic dimming event known as the Great Dimming. This sudden and intense drop in brightness was so noticeable that even amateur astronomers in areas affected by light pollution could observe it. At its peak, the star was losing light at a rate of 0.01 magnitudes per day, reaching its lowest point in February 2020. This unexplained dimming raised alarms and prompted astronomers to investigate what it could mean for Betelgeuse's future. The light we see from stars like Betelgeuse takes time to reach us, and Betelgeuse is located about 725 light-years away from Earth. This means the light we see today left the star roughly 725 years ago, so when we observe Betelgeuse, we're actually seeing it as it was in the past, not as it is now. This time delay adds a layer of complexity for astronomers studying stars like Betelgeuse, because any sudden changes in brightness we observe today actually occurred centuries ago. This means that if Betelgeuse were to undergo a supernova explosion, we wouldn't know about it until long after it had already happened. This time lag creates a unique challenge in studying stars, as scientists must interpret past data while predicting future behavior. Betelgeuse's dimming event, which occurred from 2019 to 2020, led scientists to explore possible causes, including mass ejections and dust clouds. However, because of the light travel time effect, researchers cannot be sure if Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life cycle or if it has tens of thousands of years left before it reaches its dramatic conclusion. This uncertainty highlights the complexity of stellar evolution and the difficulty of studying distant stars. Despite the challenges, astronomers haven't given up on understanding the cause of the dimming. A team led by Andrea Dre at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics used the Hubble Space Telescope to study Betelgeuse's outer atmosphere during the dimming event. Their findings revealed that the star's outer layers were losing mass at an astonishing rate, about 200,000 kilometers per hour, leading to the formation of a dust cloud that partially blocked its light. This mass loss and dust cloud formation have led to speculation that the dimming event could be a sign that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life and preparing for a supernova. If Betelgeuse does explode, it will be a core collapse supernova, a type of explosion that occurs when a massive star can no longer support its own gravity and collapses under its weight. The explosion will release an unimaginable amount of energy, more than the sun will emit over its entire lifespan, and will briefly outshine the moon, making it visible even during the day. While Earth will be safe from any immediate danger, a Betelgeuse supernova would offer an unparalleled opportunity for scientists to study the death of a star and learn more about stellar evolution, the formation of elements, and the nature of the universe itself. So when might Betelgeuse go supernova? Some astronomers think the explosion could happen within the next few decades, while others speculate it may take up to 100,000 years. Regardless of the timeline, one thing is certain: Betelgeuse is in the twilight of its existence, and we may soon witness the final, explosive chapter of its life. Should Betelgeuse go supernova in our lifetime, it will be an awe-inspiring event, one that will forever change the night sky and remind us of the dynamic, ever-evolving nature of the universe. As we continue to monitor the incredible journey of Betelgeuse, the potential for a supernova to reshape our understanding of the universe becomes even more thrilling. Witnessing the end of such a massive star could provide us with rare insights into the very core of stellar evolution and the complex processes that govern the life cycles of the most massive celestial bodies. The possibility that Betelgeuse's explosive finale could offer us unprecedented access to the secrets of space is something that every stargazer and science enthusiast can look forward to. From the dynamics of star formation to the creation of elements in the aftermath of a supernova, the knowledge we gain could change the way we see the universe forever. If you're as captivated by the wonders of the cosmos as we are, don't miss the opportunity to stay updated on Betelgeuse and other awe-inspiring space phenomena. We delve deep into these mysteries with the latest discoveries, expert insights, and mind-blowing revelations. Join our growing community of stargazers, astronomers, and space enthusiasts who share your passion for exploring the stars. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when new discoveries unfold and be part of an exciting journey through the cosmos. Don't wait. Click that subscribe button now and let's explore the universe together.